up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. This is Life with Dree, and I know I haven't posted in a while, but it's okay because we finna do better, okay? I know I say that probably every video, but I really do be trying, okay? So anyways, y'all ain't seen me in a while, but I do have some passion twist in, and I did these myself, okay? This was my first time ever trying to do passion twist, and they came out pretty good. You know, the hardest part was doing the parts, getting the parts right by myself, because it was just a struggle. It truly was a struggle. So that was the hardest part. But other than that, once I got the parts down, we was good to go. And I did use the rubber band method. So yeah, and this is my second week with these, and this is what they looking like. Okay, 2 weeks already with these passion twists, and this is what they look like. So I think I did pretty good for the most part, you know. But today I'm gonna be going in and we kind of like just touching up a few twists. So this one right here needs to be touched up because I noticed that like right here you can see the rubber band. The rest of them you can't, but this one you can. So I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna touch up a few of them, okay? Not all of them, just a few. So, and I'm gonna show y'all how I do that, how I did it. So if you wanna do your own passion twist one day, build up the courage out to do it, okay? So, we're gonna tie this side up, and I'm gonna show y'all everything that I use to do the passion twist. Well, first we're gonna take this down, so that's the first thing we gotta do.
Take this down, okay? So that's our first thing, taking this down.
I do braid at the root, braid it down a little bit, and then I start twisting. So you will see, y'all will see everything that I do. Okay, and I did use the rubber band method like I said, so I'm going to go in and slide this rubber band out. Now, some people be iffy about the rubber band method because they don't want to use rubber bands on their hair. Some people don't want to use rubber bands on their hair, but trick. Take the rubber band before you start and add some oil. You can use, I'm going to use vitamin E oil when I tie this back in, but add some oil on there and put it in. Also, I feel like if your hair is not dry, you should be fine pulling rubber bands out your hair. Now, if your hair is dry and it soaks up product easily and it's not really moisturized at the root, then yeah, you're gonna have some issues with rubber bands, getting rubber bands out your hair. But as far as me, my hair is very moisturized, and I also put my rubber bands in oil, so this slides right out, baby, right out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is detangle my hair. Okay, boom, like so. Now this is the hair I'm working with, free tress. Okay, we got the color TT30. That's what this is. I have a few in the back that's just all black, but yeah, TT30. A water wave 22 inch, okay? So, you're gonna open up the package. Yeah, this is what the hair looks like coming straight out the pack. Same I did the first time, one strand. I'm gonna set this to the side right now, and then we will come back to this in a second. I just wanted to go ahead and get the pack open and get that ready to go, okay? So for my hair, shine and jam for those edges. Shine and jam for these edges, baby. Okay, like so. So let's get started. I think I'm gonna take my glasses out so y'all can get a better look right here. So taking this regular shine and jam, I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand, this much, and I'm just gonna apply that right there. Okay, like so. I'm gonna take my edge brush and kind of brush it in position of what I want. Okay. Perfect. Now we're gonna take our rubber band. We're gonna add some oil to it. So just a couple squirts, and I'm using my vitamin E oil. You can use whatever oil you got. Just rub that in like so. Get it all oiled up, okay? So now, got that. Now you're just going to go in and rubber band it. Okay, excuse me, my Creme of Nature coconut milk hydrating curling cream to apply that to the ends of my hair. Just on my ends, because I want them to be moisturized, and then I'll drag it up. My hair is very moisturized as is, so I don't have to do too much. Okay. Now, an extra step that you can take if you want to is mousse. I take the Herbal Essences, and I did do this when I did these 2 weeks ago. The Herbal Essences Totally Twisted Curl Booster Mousse. Took a little bit of that and applied it to my hair. It's just gonna have my hair super defined and ready to be in the twist. Okay. See that? Okay. So yeah. So you're gonna take your hair and you're just gonna start pulling it down. So we're gonna start by braiding. So what I do is just wrap the hair right here and I use my hair as the third piece. Okay, see the rubber band is covered. Okay. I'm gonna stop right there. Now, my hair is right here. I'm gonna put it in the middle and I'm gonna separate it into 2 pieces. And then I'm going to start twisting the hair. Now, this part is where it gets kind of tricky. Okay. See how my hair is kind of going like that? When I loosen up, that means I'm going in the wrong direction of the curl. See that? Wrong direction. So, going to untwist, and you have to test this with every piece, because if you don't, it's not gonna look right when you get all the way to the bottom and you let it go. I'm telling you. So now we're gonna go the opposite direction. I'm gonna show you guys the difference of going the opposite direction. So now that we've gone the opposite direction, see when I let go? See that? That's what we want. That's what we want, okay? So now I'm gonna twist this all the way down and adding Shine and Jam to my hair as I continue to go down. Then when you get to the bottom, you can just twirl it around your finger. And I'm probably gonna end up cutting this because this is too long, much longer than the rest of my hair. So I'm gonna end up cutting it. So you can just twist it or whatever. When you get to the end, then you let go and you have your twist. Okay, that's how I did it the first time I did my hair. Now I'm gonna go in and cut so that way it looks like the rest. I'm gonna bring the camera down just a bit. Okay, so see how much longer it is? Just gonna take my scissors and cut about right here, and boom. And that's it. Then I'm gonna take my Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse and coat it. Coat it all the way down. Okay. And that's done. Done with the entire front row because we want it looking nice and neat. Okay, so I just finished the last one. Put my glasses back on because I'm blind. But I just finished the last one. I did this whole front row. Okay, so that's done. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna take my oil, my vitamin E oil, and I'm gonna go through my scalp. Just wanna go all the way through. A lot of this be coming out, so just be careful with it. Shit. Oh, it's hard bending now. Okay, and then I'm going to take my hands and just run it through my scalp. Like that. Make sure that oil is all in there. Like so. If you want to do your edges, go ahead and do your edges. But I'm probably not gonna do my edges right now because I'm not going anywhere. So, ooh, y'all, my ugly faces when I be looking in the mirror, like. But yeah, y'all see I still got my edges. or whatever. So you can do your edges if you want to, or you can just leave it like this. So yeah, but anyways, I'm completely done with the front, and they looking like brand new. I'm only gonna leave these in for about another maybe another week or so. So after that, then I'm gonna take them out because I want to dye my hair, and then I'll film that as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks for tuning in, and thank you for subscribing. And tell your friends, tell your friends, tell your friend, tell their friends, tell their friends, tell their friends, and their family to come subscribe to my channel, please. Okay? Thank you, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.